Hello everyone. We have a simultaneous equation here to solve and see that it's not well arranged. So I will arrange it properly. For this equation 1, this is equation 2. So for this equation 1, I will bring x to this other side so that I will have minus x plus y plus y plus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 3. Elimination method is very fine for this. So let me just add the two equations. Solve equation 1 plus equation 2. So I'm going to have minus x plus x. X is eliminated, so I will have y plus y is equal to 1 plus 3. So I will have 2y is equal to 4. If I both side by 2, 2 here cancel 2, so I have y is equal to 2. Now I have my y. I can substitute y into equation 2. If I like equation 1, any of the two will give me the same thing. So x plus, instead of writing y, I will write 2. X plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, my x is equal to 3. 2 comes to this other side, you have minus 2. So x is equal to 1. Y is 2, x is 1. And that is the answer. If you check in equation 2, x is 1, y is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. That is a simple check. Thank you.